Hi there, Spanish Grammar Guy here on Focus 15, here to help you with your Spanish grammar. And today we're going to learn how to use possessive adjectives in Spanish. What are they? Well, possessive adjectives, as we shall see, show ownership or belonging. They tell us who something belongs to. So let's get started and let's just have a quick overview of those possessive adjectives. So what we have to remember is that the possessive adjectives have to agree in gender and number with the noun that they modify, the noun they're talking about. And they're used before the noun, just like in English. And the basic possessive adjectives are mi, tu, su, nuestro, nuestra, vuestro, and vuestra. And let's have a look at them now in detail and see how they work. So first of all, let's look at singular possessive adjectives. So mi means my. For example, mi coche, my car in the English. Tu means your in the informal singular, in the tu form obviously. Tu casa, your house. That's the informal way of saying tu casa, your house. Su could mean his, her, or your in the usted formal, and that means their. For example, su libro could be his, her, or your book, and the context will obviously tell us which it refers to. So nuestro and nuestra means our, so it could be nuestro amigo if it's masculine, or for example, nuestra escuela if it's our school in the feminine. And vuestro or vuestra means your for the plural informal in Spain. So for example, vuestro perro, your dog, if you're talking to a group of people informally. And also vuestra familia, your family in the feminine because it's familia. Again, that's the vosotros form for the you in a group informally in Spain only, not in Latin America where they would use usted. So you have to notice that nuestro becomes nuestra when referring to a feminine noun, and vuestra when referring to a feminine noun in the plural as well. And the same applies obviously to all. They have to agree in gender and number. Let's have a look at some examples. Nuestro trabajo means our work in the masculine. Nuestra casa means our house in the feminine. Vuestros libros, your books, it's masculine and it's plural. Vuestras flores, your flowers, it's feminine and it's plural. Okay, so that's the important thing. You must agree them in gender and number. So use mi, tu and su for singular nouns, nuestro, nuestra, vuestro, vuestra, depending on gender and number as well. And remember that su can mean his, her, or your in the formal, or even their. So the context is important. And always match the possessive adjective with the gender and number of the noun it describes. Okay, let's just do a little bit of practice here very quickly just to reinforce some of this with a couple of examples. So, mi hermana es estudiante. My sister is a student. Tu gato es bonito. Your cat is cute. Su padre trabaja en una oficina. Now that could be his or her or your formal. In the formal sense, usted, your father works in an office. Nuestra profesora es amable. Our teacher is kind. Vuestras ideas son interesantes. Your ideas are interesting. Okay, so it's feminine and it's plural. Okay, that's it for now. Remember, possessive adjectives must agree in gender and number with the noun that they talk about, the noun that they modify. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy. Hasta luego.